Welcome back to the new topic. It is continuation to the expanded form of a number using negative exponents. We are going to learn another topic, that is standard form of a number. So, what is standard form of a number? A standard form is a form where we represent the number as a product of a number and an exponent. For example, let us consider this situation: speed of light. So it is the speed of light is written in centimeters per second units, and its value is it is written in the international numbering system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion. 10 billion place में 3 है, so it is 30 billion centimeters per second. This is the speed of the light. So to write this number, to write value of speed of light in such large digits, it is difficult in many places. So in order to reduce the space, or for the sake of simplicity, we represent these numbers in a special form that is called standard form. So what is the standard form? Standard form means it is a number which is written, which is actually product of an exponent. Exponent means 10 power something into a number between 0 and 100, 0 and 10. 0 और 10 के बीच में जो डिजिट्स होते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, तो उनमें से कोई एक नंबर यहाँ होगा. ओके, सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज ए नंबर which is a product of a number between 0 to 10 and an exponent. So let us take an example. यहाँ पर जो दिया हुआ है इसी नंबर को हम सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं, 30 बिलियन. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में होता क्या है, सिर्फ एक डिजिट होना चाहिए ये पूरे नंबर में से, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक डिजिट होना चाहिए, दैट इज नंबर बिटवीन 0 एंड 10. सो 0 नहीं होना है, 10 भी नहीं आना, इन दोनों के बीच के नंबर्स 1 से लेकर 9 तक. सो हियर ऑलरेडी इसमें 3 है, सो आई राइट 3 हियर. 3 के बाद इमीडिएटली मुझे डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करना है. व्हेन आई पुट ए डेसिमल पॉइंट हियर, इट्स वैल्यू विल बी चेंज्ड. अब यहाँ डेसिमल पॉइंट जो है यहाँ आ गया. यूजुअली डेसिमल पॉइंट जो है आखिरी में होता है, कोई से भी नंबर जो है बाय डिफॉल्ट डेसिमल पॉइंट विल बी एट द एंड. सो from here the decimal point is shifted to this place. How many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 places. So it is moved to 10 places. Okay, और डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद हम 0 लिख देंगे, सिंपल 0. यू कैन राइट एज मेनी एज यू रिक्वायर, बट इट डजंट मेक डिफरेंस. इनटू जितने प्लेसेस हमने शिफ्ट किए हैं उतने ही पावर हमें यहाँ पर लिखना रहेगा. कितना? पावर 10. Okay, we have shifted 10 places towards left side. Always remember, if decimal point is shifted from right to left, then we will write positive power. If the decimal point is shifting from left to right, then then the power will be negative. Okay, so now we can read it as centimeter per second. What is the speed of the light? 3.0 into 10 power 10 centimeters per second. So this is called this standard form of the number. Now let us take another example. I'm taking 5 6 7 8. Another example, 5 6 7 8.003. इसमें already point दिया हुआ है. Now as I said in this example, decimal point should be, first I'll write standard form. Standard form is equal to, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में सिंगल डिजिट होना चाहिए. सो आई एम राइटिंग 5 दिस. ओके, यू मे थिंक सर सिर्फ 5 के बाद क्यों, 6 के बाद भी तो लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट, बट 6 के यहाँ पीछे एक डिजिट रह जाएगा. सो वी वांट ओनली 1 डिजिट बिफोर लेफ्ट टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ डेसिमल पॉइंट, ओनली 1 डिजिट. अब डेसिमल पॉइंट एक्चुअल में यहाँ है, तो यहाँ से कहाँ आ गया? 1 2 3 प्लेसेस लेफ्ट शिफ्ट, यहाँ आ गया. तो बाकी सारे डिजिट्स एज इट इज लिखे रहेंगे. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस टू दिस 3 प्लेसेस इट इज शिफ्टेड इनटू, ये राइट से लेफ्ट शिफ्ट हुआ है. सो विल राइट 10 पावर कितने प्लेसेस? 1 2 3 प्लेसेस, सो 10 पावर 3. ओके, लेट मी राइट वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज 0.0 0056. Now see here, this is different example to this one. Here the decimal point should come where it should come. You may think, sir, already there is only one digit after decimal point, left of decimal point, then why should we shift? But what is the condition? Number should be decimal point के left side में जो number आता है that should be between 0 and 10, not 0 and 10, between इन दोनों के बीच का. So decimal point यहाँ से कहाँ shift करना है हमें? यहाँ तक. Okay, so we'll write it as 5 point. यहाँ से कितने places shift हुआ है right side की तरफ? Left से अब right shift हुआ है 3 places into, अब decimal point के पास only 6 बचा है, into how many places shifted? 3. So 10 power 3. I'll write one more example, that is 0.00004578. Now tell me, standard form, decimal point has to be shifted from this place to till 4, so it has to come here. How many places? 1 2 3 4 5 places. So 4 point यहाँ आ गया point 578 into how many places it is shifted? 1 2 3 4 5 places. So I'll write it here 10 power 5. Okay, here we have missed one thing. Can you guess? Yes, in this first example, when we shifted from left to right, we represented positive power. But here also decimal point is shifted from right to left. Here also right to left. Power is mentioned positive. But in these two cases, decimal point is shifted from left to right. So in this case, the power should be negative. Understand? Listen to this once again. If the decimal point is shifting from right to left, then power will be positive. Here also decimal point is shifted from right to left, the power should be positive. If the decimal point is shifting from left to right, then power should come negative. Here also negative, left to right, power should come negative. So this is nothing but standard form of any number. In the higher classes, you will be coming across so many topics, especially in the science subject, light, speed of the light, and the gravitational force. All these so many values you will be representing in the standard form only. So if you have any doubts, you watch it again, and based on this, you try to solve the exercise to 4.3. So with this chapter is also over. Hope you understood, but still if you have any doubts, you can write to me. Thank you.